I want to give you a powerful declaration and acronym to turn your September into a super September that you'll have to remember. September stands for supernaturally empowered, pressing toward excellence, manifesting breakthroughs, enjoying riches. I'm making my September a super September because in God's holy courtroom, I've been declared innocent, although proven guilty without a shadow of a doubt. I'm making my September a super September because I'm exercising courage to conceive in spite of me, boldness to believe because of thee, and taking the action to achieve so others can see. I'm making my September a super September because I choose to invest my time finding potential in people, even myself, and situations instead of spending my time finding fault. I'm making my September a super September because I'm committed to passionately proclaiming and persistently practicing Mark 11:23, where it says, whosoever shall say unto this mountain, and then it says, he shall have whatsoever he saith. Joshua 1:8, where it says, then thou shalt make thy way prosperous. And then Ephesians 3:20, unto him that's able, and I like to say about to do exceeding abundantly above all that we can ask or think. I'm making my September super because I refuse to walk in depression, doubt, or denial, but rather divine deliverance. I'm focused on growing through whatever I go through so I will ensure and get my breakthrough. I'm making my September a super September because I walk in divine favor, thus I can expect and shall experience sudden spiritual, physical, relational, emotional, intellectual, business, and financial breakthroughs. Making my September a super September because I'm paying attention to the subtle clues, and I will take the proper cues that will keep me from suffering the consequences. However, if I fail, my God has and is himself the cure and can give me a comeback. I'm making my September a super September because the giant in front of me is only a midget compared to the God who is for me, Psalm 56:9, and actually the God who's in me. And so I anticipate receiving this or more by the end of September or sooner. I stand in the authority of the name above every name, the name of Yeshua HaMashiach, Jesus the Christ. And by the way, I'm making my September a super September, one that I'll remember because my God already has, according to Isaiah 45:2 and Isaiah 48:17. May God bless you today, this month. Listen to this every day, the month of September, and watch if you won't create a September to remember. A super September you'll never forget. Hey, this is Dr. Stan Harris, known as Dr. Breakthrough. I can't provide the breakthrough. I just prescribe the breakthrough. But when you follow my prescription, God provides it. God bless you. Make a great day and great month on purpose and by design. What time is it? It's breakthrough time.